When you look around your home, are you inspired by what you see? You will be now. It's design time. Meet Paula Grafstein, president of Courtside Market, with wall and home decor handcrafted and made in the USA.
We manufacture art domestically here in the United States, and we sell to various stores, national retailers throughout the United States and into Canada. And we also sell direct to consumer certain parts of our line.
Wall art is one of their specialties. Eileen should know. She's been part of the family before Courtside Market was founded in 2010.
Wall art is a great extension to your home decor. It can change a room and a mood in a moment, and it always can be updated. We strive for the best for our customer and for the latest trends.
They make it simple to make it beautiful. This is their impressive gallery wall collection. Their art and design ideas aren't just for the walls, though. They can be used throughout the home, both indoors and out. These handcrafted soy wax candles, for example, are infused with essential oils.
In room decor, our artwork covers for every single room in the house. From your child's nursery, to your den, to your office, we meet all needs.
They also have a full line of seasonal and holiday items.
We have designed a new line of porch signs, and we bring in beautiful imagery, whether it's for seasonal, for spring, or for fall, or for winter, as well as holiday-oriented imagery. So if it's Merry Christmas, or Happy Hanukkah, or Happy St. Patrick's Day, or Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, we have it all.
Their products make great gifts, and they can be personalized. They blend their imagery with personalization for events, milestones, or that special someone. The Courtside Market team prides itself on bringing beautifully handcrafted decor products to market. They're focused on creating decor to assist anyone in transforming their room, home, office, or any other space simply and in minutes. For more information about Courtside Market's design services and products, visit courtsidemarket.com or major national retailers online. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.